Most people in insurance talk about clients. I used to be one, and at large scale. And here's the tell: clients don't think about distribution, they think about design. They're not trying to sell another product. They're trying to give customers another reason to stay. For years, embedded was pitched to me as a channel strategy. From my side of the table, it looked like experience design with a revenue stream attached. Make the journey smoother, neutralize the moment of hesitation, turn help into habit. The industry asks, how do we sell through you? The client asks, how do we build something our customers actually notice, value, and remember? Why embed at all? Two reasons. Yes, first, non-core revenue from core customers. Second, and more valuable, stickiness, loyalty, lower churn. Partners we wanted shared a profile, APIs instead of binders, pricing flexibility, a claims experience that felt like the brand and not a handoff, and a data loop that improved the product with every interaction. The dream isn't to cross-sell insurance. Frankly, the products are largely commoditized and broadly available. It's to turn protection into participation. Put simply, we had problems of our own to solve, and good partnership, true partnership, is all about solving problems for each other. Who's closer to the mark? Platforms like Gankar, Bolttech, Cover Genius, Cover, even the ones you don't see. Because they start with the customer and work backwards to underwriting. They're not bolting a product on. They're upgrading a promise, and they're building relationships around the world that will solve the compliance angle too. Here's the uncomfortable bit. If insurers and brokers keep treating embedded as sell more through you, they'll become invisible. The client doesn't need a middleman or a manufacturer. They need a designer. The real question isn't who owns the policy, it's who owns the experience. Embedded insurance isn't distribution, it's diplomacy between brand risk and loyalty. So if you want to win with clients like me, don't ask for access to our customers, earn it by making us look good to them and making them want to stay and do more. Design relevance, not paperwork. That's how protection becomes part of the relationship, not a pop-up. Download the accompanying one-pager which summarizes everything in this video and gives you a bit more detail from my LinkedIn profile. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh yes, subscribe too. This is a new YouTube channel, not just available on LinkedIn. Next time on Risky Business.
If you're in the building, go to the meeting. We also had, and you know I'm all right about this one, that a lot of you were on the Zoom and you were doing the following, okay? Looking at your mail, sending texts to each other about what an asshole the other person is, okay? Not paying attention, not reading your stuff, and if you don't think that slows down efficiency, creativity, creates rudeness, and stuff, it does, okay? And when I found out that people are doing that, you don't do that in my goddamn meetings.